this video, we demonstrate how to view, delete and download file records from the internal ByVital storage through a terminal. This is an alternative to the Web Toolbox for managing the internal storage. Both methods perform the same function. The Python ByVital library should already be installed beforehand. If you have not done this yet, please install it now. A separate video tutorial explaining the installation is already available. First, open a terminal of your choice on your computer from which you can launch Python or Anaconda. Activate the virtual environment via pip or conda in which the ByVital Python library was previously installed. Connect the ByVital device to your computer via USB-C. Storage communication with the ByVital is handled using the bvtool storage command. Using ByVital storage-h displays all available storage commands. With ByVital tool storage list, you can display a specific directory on the ByVital. ByVital storage download followed by the path to a specific log file starts a download to your computer. bvtool storage format completely formats the ByVital storage. Feel free to try additional storage commands and explore the file management capabilities of the ByVital through the terminal. Have fun and enjoy.
Beep 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 towel. Beep 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 towel.